I'm Simon Lycett, and the RHS have asked me to be their fabulous floral gardener and to share some gorgeous Christmas gift ideas with the fabulous floral gardener in your life. It's been so wonderful to see so many new people getting into gardening in the last few months. Growing cut flowers at home is such a wonderful way to bring colour into your life whilst at the same time enjoying exercise and being in the fresh air. I love growing my own flowers at home, from scented sweet peas in the spring through to dazzling dahlias in the late summer and autumn months. Bringing the outdoors indoors is such a joy, a great way for you to be enjoying colour at home, and there's nothing more satisfying than arranging your own homegrown bunches. If you've a loved one who's as mad about flowers as I am, here are some gift ideas that I know they're going to blooming love. I'll never say no to a good book, and here, The Flower Powered Gardener by Andy Vernon is fantastic. From basics, how to grow in containers, how to water, right through to the most gorgeous colour schemes. Packets of seeds make the most wonderful gifts, and if you're not seeing loved ones this Christmas, they're so easy to pop into the post. From sunflowers, sweet peas and cosmos, they're bursting with colour and everybody will love to grow them. And finally, if like me you are so excited that next spring and summer we see the return of our beloved flower shows, why not give a gift for the future? Hampton Court Palace Garden Festival tickets. Whether you're a new gardener or a really experienced old hand, you are going to love the colour and fun. And there's so much to buy, you're going to be tempted. I hope you, your friends and family are keeping safe during these really challenging times. And I hope I've given you some great ideas to make Christmas festive, fabulous and floral.